Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Looking at EURJPY and CHFJPY, two important JPY pairs currently showing significant trading opportunity in the market. Now, before we discuss in this lower time frame how we can find trading opportunity, first let's quickly look at bigger picture starting with EURJPY, looking at the monthly time frame. Now, from the monthly, this is a long-term bullish market. We have seen that this market was for long extended period of time creating series of higher high and higher low, which is a typical uptrending market structure. From the monthly, after previous monthly bullish engulfer, this bullish engulfer, as you can see, has crossed back to back two monthly candles low and had formed this big long bullish engulfer. Followed by this month, we have seen that initially had a significant bounce. It is almost at the end of the month, and as the market has created a move, has come back down again for a pullback. Before the monthly close, we can expect, or after the monthly close, the price to remain bullish. So from the monthly, we can expect EURJPY to push up to create a new higher high. If we look at the weekly, we can see a bit more clearer picture where we can expect EURJPY to be heading. This is the previous weekly low, and after quite a few back-to-back 4 weeks of bullish move, EURJPY this week we see that coming down for a deeper pullback. As this is a very important liquidity zone, the price has broken out of that level. We can expect EURJPY now come down to retest this level. What I think that EURJPY may drop further to this level, and then we can expect for the price to bounce up to create a new higher high. Looking at daily, as you can see from the daily, the trend is a bit more clearer. We saw there was a local breakdown here, has created this huge breakout, and the price was trending to creating new higher high and higher low. Now at this point, what we saw that from the daily, there was a breakdown here that we have seen past week, has come to this liquidity zone below this red candle. There is a huge liquidity, and from that zone we saw that EURJPY had a strong bounce. Now at this point, what we see that here on the daily, again the price is approaching that same liquidity zone with another strong impulse. So what we can expect now, EURJPY, for the price to come down to retest this level. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect EURJPY to come down to break the low to give us a new entry opportunity for this potential move to the upside. Now, looking at the intraday perspective from lower time frame, we see that EURJPY again coming near this long week candle. From that zone, we saw a significant move, and I will be waiting now on EURJPY first to break that low so that it have enough liquidity, and then for this potential move to the upside. As soon as we see that EURJPY has given a suitable entry according to the rules of our strategies, you look for going long with a high probability trade setup. Now let's look at CHFJPY, looking at monthly. And as you know that CHFJPY is a very long term strong bullish market structure. The momentum in this market is very high after previous monthly middleman. This month also the price bounced to the upside from this level, and you could see that CHFJPY moving up to create a new higher high. Looking at weekly, like the EURJPY, CHFJPY also after previous weekly pin bar from the support level started to bounce. Now what we can expect now this week for the price to come back down even to retest this level. Now the difference between EURJPY and CHFJPY, we see that CHFJPY's momentum is a bit stronger than EURJPY. What I think that it might, even without breaking that low, we could see that this market is bouncing off that level. In case if the price managed to break the low, it is a very high probability that CHFJPY will have a big move to the upside. Now looking at daily on CHFJPY, we can see that from this support level there was a bounce, as the price failed to create a new higher high, we could see that CHFJPY coming down again to break the low to gather liquidity and then to go back up again to create a new higher high. So if we look at the intraday time frame, we see there is a local downtrend here creating series of lower high and lower low. I will be waiting for another wave of drop here to this support level. After penetrating that important liquidity zone, we look for going long on CHFJPY with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you enjoy this analysis, make sure that you like the analysis. And also, if you are watching this on TradingView, follow me on TradingView and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And I'll see you soon in my next analysis.